Hey, boys and girls, we are on day 2 of soft G. Remember, last week we learned soft C, and so I have this little picture, Gentle Cindy, but this week we're focusing on the G. Soft G says J, and we know that a word is going to say J, or a G is going to say J when it is followed by E, I, or Y. All right, I'm going to go back to the chart I used yesterday. If you can find yours, go grab it. If not, you can just use any piece of paper that you have. We're going to add some words. I'm going to say a few words and we're going to add them. Remember, if you hear G, that's hard G and it would go on the left. If you hear J, it's soft G and it's going to go on the right. All right, first word. Gentle. Gentle. That's going to be over here. Gentle. It's got CLE. All right. Globe. That's right. Hard. G. Gave. Hard G. And let's see. Magic. Magic. All right. Just a little warm up. All right. Look at your day 2 sheet from the printables. Soft G, day 2. As we do every time, we're going to do a few words, a sentence, and then actually today we are going to do our syllabication words. All right, so our first word today is stage. If you know how to spell stage, you can also spell age. You can spell page. You can spell rage. So there's lots of words you can spell if you can spell stage. All right, number 2, gym, as in the gym where you would work out. That would be G-Y-M. Remember, there's a man named Jim, but in this situation, we're talking about this. And there's also this one, like a diamond or any kind of precious gemstone. All right, number 3 is sage. That's an herb. Number 4, huge. Number 5, margin. All right, so we've got 2 syllables. Let's pound and tap. Margin. First syllable, mar. R. I hear a bossy R. Second syllable, gin. J-N. J-N. Margin. All right, let's come down to our red words. Our tested red words are busy and tough. And our new red words are buy, like we buy something at the store. I'm going to put those dollar signs to remind me. And mother. Remember, busy and tough are our tested words. Okay. Let's go to number 2. The sentence is, there was an urgency to ingest the ginger. All right, urgency means you need to do it quickly. Ingest means you need to swallow it. And then ginger is a spice. So I'm not sure why there would be an urgency to ingest the ginger, but that's our sentence. Okay. Getting these notifications. Let me get rid of that. Okay. All right. There, capital T, H-E-R, was an urgency. Okay, so we've got urgency. 2, ingest, 2 syllables, ingest. Now, how did I know that was not a J? 2 reasons. One, I'm studying soft G. That was a clue. And then also, it's followed by an E. So I knew it was going to be a G. The ginger. Ginger. Period. Capital. It makes sense. I have a punctuation mark and everything's spelled correctly. All right. And then the last thing we're doing today on day 2 is our syllabication. All right. What do we find first? Our vowels. A and E, drawbridge. Got 2 consonants. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. I'm going to break in between the consonants unless it was a blend or a diphthong. I've got closed and closed. All right, let's read the left. Tangent. Tangent. That's kind of like you go off on something different. You will go off on your own way. Go off on a tangent. All right. Vowels. Bridge. All right, I'm going to break. I have bossy R. I have a closed syllable. Gent. So look, I had gent here and I had gent here. Okay, tangent, urgent. All right. Vowel, vowel, bridge. This is consonant. I started to try a G. All right. I'm going to break before the consonant. Open, closed. Frigid. Frigid. No. All right, so let's try to move this. Now, if I move that, this is now closed and this is still closed. Frigid. Frigid. Yes, frigid means it's very, very cold outside. And remember, with our syllable types, vowel, consonant, vowel can be broken before or after the consonant. And sometimes you just have to try it both ways. And that's okay. All right, we got one more. All right, vowel, vowel, vowel. Consonant, 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 consonant. I'm going to break in between the consonants on both. I've got gent again. Interesting. And I know it's closed because I've already done it twice. All right. Closed. Closed. Now I want to remind you what closed means in case you are like, what is she talking about? Even though we talk about it sometimes we forget. Open is when the vowel is after the consonant with no consonant behind it. Closed is when there's a consonant behind the vowel. Closed means the vowel is going to be short. Open means the vowel is going to be long. So these are all going to be short vowels. Indulgent. Indulgent. Okay, that could be something very rich and creamy, maybe a really hot chocolate fudge, ice cream, dessert, maybe some kind of chocolate cake. Could be indulgent. All right. I will see you back for day